Hey Kevin, sorry for the noise. Big train's going by. That's 5 units pulling, it's got 2 units pushing. So what I want to show you is I have your front hub assembly inside of a wheel from one of the local tire shops just down the street. It's in a 17-inch Chevrolet, like 2004, 2005 maybe, wheel from a Tahoe, or maybe it's just a regular truck, but it's aluminum, and he can get, you know, these kind of wheels all day long. There's quite a number of these available, but I brought it down here because I wanted to test the bolt pattern. And I don't know if this is the metric bolt pattern or the standard, but this one, and right here, this is an 18-inch Dodge wheel. It's the same bolt pattern, and I fitted in the same hub, brake assembly. I put it in this wheel, and it fit fine. It fit, you know, perfectly. So he can get these wheels all day long. They're 18-inch chrome. They're from a Dodge, but they don't say Dodge on it. It doesn't indicate any kind of, you know, Dodge or Chevrolet or whatever, but it might be something for you to use just to put on the truck. We could put some tires on it, but it's really up to you, Kevin. But I'm going to need wheels and tires probably very soon, sooner than anything else. So I need your blessing, your approval to go with 4 wheels, and then I can get 4 tires. Maybe they have tires here, takeoffs, whatever. Something will work. We can make it work. So, like, say for example, we had these 2 to choose from. Which one would you want to choose? The aluminum one or the chrome one? The aluminum ones, it's got a little couple chips in it, but you know, they can be cleaned up. But that's a 17-inch, that's an 18-inch wheel. You had 16.5s on your truck. So I'm going to post this on YouTube, and I want you to look at this, and of course, give me an indication which way you want to go. Chevrolet or Dodge wheels will work, aluminum or chrome, 17-inch here, 18-inch here, your choice. Go ahead and let me know. I did fit it in, and it does work. They fit in here perfectly, and it also fits in here perfectly. And I torqued it down, and of course, if, like, say for example, Kevin, you wanted to go with this wheel, I would not use these lug nuts, because they're a little bit too small. We need something a little bit more proper, with a washer that can go in this cavity right here and fill where the washer is supposed to go, and then with a proper lug, or excuse me, a lug nut. So that's all something we can do. Or even on the steel wheel, there's no washers are required because it's a steel wheel. It's much thinner. So Kevin, let me know. Thanks very much. Talk to you later. Bye.